Now student, let's discuss about petroleum. Petroleum. Student, petroleum is a dark colored, foul smelling crude oil. It is dark colored, foul smelling crude oil. Student, it is called petroleum because it is found under the crust of the earth, trapped in rocks. It is found under the earth's crust, trapped in rocks. Hence, it is called petroleum. It is a mixture of various solid, liquid and gases. It is hydrocarbon, water, salt and particles of the earth. It is a mixture of various solids, liquids and gases, which are hydrocarbons, water, salt and particles of earth. It also contains small amount of other compounds of carbon with oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. It also contains small amount of other compounds of carbon with oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Student, petroleum is extracted from petroleum well, and petroleum extracted from well is a black colored thick oil which is known as crude oil. The petroleum extracted from well is a thick black oil which is called crude oil. Now student, the separating of this crude oil into more useful fraction is termed as refining. The process of separating of crude oil in more useful fractions is refining and refining of crude oil or refining of petroleum is done by a method of fractional distillation, and the refining of petroleum is done by fractional distillation. That is fractional distillation. Now student, the products that we obtain by the fractional distillation of petroleum or the crude oil is fractional distillation of crude oil, which is petroleum. Now student, these products are asphalt, lubricant oil, paraffin wax, fuel oil, diesel, kerosene, petrol, and petroleum gas. So student, these are the useful products that we get by the fractional distillation of petroleum. These are asphalt, lubricant oil, paraffin wax, fuel oil, diesel, kerosene, petrol, petroleum gas. Now student, let's discuss about the uses of these products. Students, so far we have discussed about the components that we get by the fractional distillation of petroleum. Now let's discuss about their uses. Student, fuel oil is used in boiler and furnaces, whereas student, this is a use of fuel oil. Kerosene oil is used in domestic purposes. Now student, these are the uses of fuel oil and kerosene oil. Student, petrol and diesel is used as fuel in vehicles. Petrol and diesel are used as a fuel in vehicles. Now student, the petroleum gas. Fuel oil is used in boiler and furnaces. Kerosene oil is used in domestic purposes. Petrol and diesel are used as fuel in vehicles. Student, petroleum gas mainly consists of butane. The main constituent, it mainly contains butane, which is C4H10. It also contains ethane and propane in small amount, and also contains ethane and propane in small amount. Student, petroleum gas can be liquefied easily, and the gas that we use for domestic purpose in cylinder is liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG. Petroleum gas can be liquefied easily. The gas in our cylinder that we use in our home LPG, which is liquefied petroleum gas. Now student, this liquefied petroleum gas, it is colorless and odorless. It is colorless and odorless. Now student, as it is colorless and odorless, therefore it is really very difficult to find the leakage or to detect the leakage of LPG. So student, ethyl mercaptan is added to LPG, which gives it a smell so that it can be detected in the case of leakage. And student, the formula for ethyl mercaptan, C2H5SH. This is the formula of ethyl mercaptan. Now student, it catches fire easily, so precautions should be taken while using LPG. It catches fire easily, so precautions should be taken while using LPG. Now student, let's discuss about another non-renewable source of energy, that is natural gas.